Okay, there's another case here. My God, a lot of people here in Moncton. And we'll call you Sam, okay?
Yeah.
So Sam, you were in court this morning?
Yeah.
For what?
Assault.
Assault. And what happened?
They just pushed it for a couple weeks.
Pushed it. So you plead?
I already went to plead guilty or not guilty before, and they were, you sure? It wasn't something I did. They already charged 4 people for assault. Well, one person did.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously, I'm not going to plead guilty for it. All 4 of us, and one person beat the guy up.
So what did the duty counsel say?
They just asked me if I was sure, tried to get me not to plead. I plead not guilty. I got my statement. It doesn't say anything. It says the guy that got beat up, he said I went out and I got knocked out, and that was it. There was no witnesses that said anything. The guy said he seen a guy with brown hair beating him up. I got blonde hair. So
the system in there, did the duty counsel encourage you to plead not guilty?
No.
They encourage you to plead guilty?
Yeah.
And do they give you the right to a lawyer?
Yeah.
Do you have a lawyer?
Yeah, I got one now.
You got one now? But you were upset the way the system was run.
Yeah.
Explain that.
Just they wanted me to plead guilty and for something I didn't do.
So what are you going to do?
Well, I got a lawyer and...
You got a lawyer now?
Yeah, I got a lawyer.
You can afford a lawyer? Or is it legal aid is giving you a lawyer?
Legal aid.
Legal aid.
But I still never talked to him yet. It's been... I called, I had to wait a month for an appointment.
Yeah, that's...
And I had to wait a month for an appointment. I got my appointment and he only called me a week ago, a month later, telling me that I was accepted a week before my trial date.
And then you show up here.
Yeah, and they were all confused, never knew what was going on. He had tried calling the court, sending letters saying that it was going to be pushed, and the witnesses that were coming were pissed off because they came for nothing.
So legal aid only contacted you a week before the trial?
Yeah.
And this happened when?
Well, I got the papers in December.
December?
I called them in January.
So you're not too impressed with the system of legal aid?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of people you know that's going through the same thing?
No. A couple, actually. My friends that got charged with it.
How did they do?
They still never came back yet. They only had their first appearance and they got it pushed. They never came.
So they got to change the legal aid system.
Yeah.
Thank you.